Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about installation and configuration of a database management system, DBMS, review system requirements, download and verify software, plan the installation, follow installation instructions. Let's enjoy. Installation and configuration of a database management system, DBMS, are critical steps in setting up a secure and reliable database environment. Here are some best practices for installing and configuring a DBMS. 1. Choose the right DBMS. Select a DBMS that best fits your requirements, taking into account factors such as scalability, performance, features, and compatibility with your existing infrastructure and applications. 2. Review system requirements. Before installation, review the system requirements for the chosen DBMS, including hardware specifications, operating system compatibility, disk space, memory, and processor requirements. 3. Download and verify software. Download the DBMS software from the official vendor website or a trusted source. Verify the integrity of the downloaded software by comparing its checksum or digital signature with the vendor's official checksum or signature. 4. Plan the installation. Plan the installation process, including selecting the installation directory, configuring network settings, choosing database options, and setting up authentication and access controls. 5. Follow installation instructions. Follow the installation instructions provided by the DBMS vendor, including running the installer program, accepting the license agreement, and specifying installation options, such as installation directory, components to install, and startup options. 6. Configure security settings. During installation, configure security settings, such as authentication methods, passwords, access controls, and encryption options to ensure the security of the database environment. 7. Enable encryption. Enable encryption options such as transparent data encryption, TDE, or SSL, TLS encryption to protect data at rest and in transit, safeguarding it from unauthorized access and data breaches. 8. Configure backup and recovery. Set up backup and recovery options to protect against data loss and ensure business continuity in the event of hardware failures, software errors, or security incidents. Configure backup schedules, retention policies, and storage locations. 9. Optimize performance. Configure performance settings, such as memory allocation, buffer pool size, cache size, and query optimization parameters to optimize database performance and ensure efficient use of system resources. 10. Apply security patches and updates. After installation, apply security patches and updates to the DBMS software and underlying operating system to address known vulnerabilities, security issues, and performance improvements. Establish a patch management process to ensure timely deployment of updates. 11. Test and validate installation. Test the installation and configuration of the DBMS by performing functionality tests, connectivity tests, and security checks. Validate that the database is accessible, responsive, and functioning as expected. 12. Document installation and configuration. Document the installation and configuration process, including installation steps, configuration settings, security policies, backup procedures, and any customizations made. Maintain up-to-date documentation for reference and troubleshooting purposes. By following these best practices for installation and configuration, you can ensure a smooth and secure deployment of your DBMS, minimizing the risk of security vulnerabilities, performance issues, and data loss. Additionally, regularly review and update the configuration settings and security measures to adapt to evolving requirements and mitigate emerging threats. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about database management system, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.